Something every landlord is thinking about. How do I actually pay off my mortgage faster without killing my lifestyle? Because owning rentals is great, but let's be real. Most landlords feel that they're stuck in this mortgage forever. Today, we're going to talk about 3 ways to pay off your mortgage. 2 are more common, and 1 is what wealthy Canadian landlords use quietly. Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Ho and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I'm also a mortgage agent and a landlord myself for the last 25 years. I specialize in teaching landlords how to pay off their primary home mortgage faster than their current plan, 8 to 12 years faster, without sacrificing their lifestyle. And it's all about saving money, saving taxes, and saving interest. All right, option number 1. You can throw more money to your mortgage. Now, this is an obvious one. You throw more money to your mortgage by switching from monthly to bi-weekly accelerated, by increasing your payments, like rounding off the next 100, making lump sum payments. And yes, this absolutely works. But here's the problem. Every dollar comes out of your own pocket. This usually means less cash flow, more stress for you, and lifestyle changes. There's also fewer vacations, more financial pressure, and feeling like you're constantly sacrificing today for a future that feels so far away. Option number 2, you can make more money. Landlord, you can pick up a second job, you can hustle for evenings and weekends, you can sacrifice time with the family. But this is what people forget. When you make more money, you actually pay more tax. So you work harder, see your family less, and then a big chunk of that extra income goes straight to the government. Personally, I don't love strategies where you do more and keep less. Option number 3. This is an advanced strategy for wealthy Canadian landlords. This is an advanced financial strategy that does not change your lifestyle, that actually simplifies your finances and improves your cash flow and gives you peace of mind. This is something that wealthy Canadian landlords use, and it's one of the biggest reasons they stay wealthy. Here's the big difference. Most middle-class landlords pay for their property twice. Let's just say you bought a property for $1 million. Over time, you'll pay back $1 million, and then you'll pay back another $1 million in interest. Well, that second million, that's what wealthy Canadians refuse to pay. They don't ask, how do I pay it off faster? They ask, how do I pay smarter? Now that's where rental cash damming comes in. Rental cash damming is all about redirecting your cash flow. It's not about earning more. It's not about cutting your lifestyle. Instead of paying personal expenses with after-tax dollars and slowly chipping away at your mortgage, you restructure how your money flows. And in simple terms, this is what happens. Instead of taking your rental income to pay your rental expenses, take your rental income and do a lump sum payment against your primary home mortgage. Your primary home mortgage, the interest cost, is not tax deductible. So we want to get rid of that as fast as possible. So when you have that rental income come in, you can use that money for whatever you want. So we're going to take that rental income and pay down your primary home mortgage. And then what we'll do is we'll use a secured line of credit to pay for all the rental expenses. This essentially converts bad debt into good debt, or non-deductible interest debt, which is your primary home mortgage, into a tax-deductible investment loan, which is the money that you borrowed for an investment that will make you money, and now you can deduct the interest costs. Everything with rental cash damming, it's the same income, but it's a smarter structure and it's a way better income. By applying the strategy of rental cash damming, you will pay off your mortgage 8 to 12 years earlier than planned. And the best part is you're not working more, you're not sacrificing family time, and you're not changing your lifestyle. Now, I want to be clear about something. Rental cash damming is not a one-size-fits-all. It depends on your finances, the properties you own, how much you own, your rental income, and your mortgage structure. And you're probably wondering, well, could this work in my situation? Let's chat. Book a complimentary, no obligation Zoom call with me. On this call, I'll understand your numbers, We're going to create a plan to pay off your primary home mortgage faster. And if the strategy doesn't work for you, I'll just tell you up front. But if it does, it's going to be life changing. This conversation is no pressure, just clarity on your numbers. Comment below, let's chat, and I will send you a calendar link to book a direct call with me. Thank you so much for listening, my friends. Let's just recap on what we talked about. You can pay off your mortgage by sacrificing your lifestyle, by working more and paying more taxes, or by using a smarter strategy that wealthy Canadians already understand. If this was helpful for you, please comment, please love, please like. If you are watching on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more strategies where I help landlords save money, save taxes, and save interest. Thanks so much for being here. I'll talk to you next week. Bye now.